In this video, I'll show you how to convert GGives to your GCash wallet without GPOs. First, it's important to know that GGives is not a cash feature. GCash officially describes GGives as a way to pay partner merchants in installments, and it also says GGives cannot be used to pay for loans. In other words, GGives is meant for eligible purchases, not for turning your credit limit directly into wallet cash. So if you're looking for a way to move GGives funds straight into your regular GCash wallet without using GPO, I could not find an official GCash method that allows that. The official GPO articles are about cash in and cash out services for wallets and outlets, not about converting a GGives credit line into wallet balance. The proper way to use GGives is to go to a GGives partner merchant, choose GGives at checkout, and then repay the amount based on your installment schedule. If a merchant transaction needs to be reversed, GCash says the cancellation or refund has to be handled with the partner merchant, not by converting the credit into wallet cash yourself. So the answer is, you can't officially convert GGives to GCash wallet without GPO. And I couldn't find an official method to convert GGives to wallet balance at all. The safest option is to use GGives only for approved partner merchant purchases and avoid unofficial workarounds that could put your account at risk. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.